The future of money, how blockchain and cryptocurrencies are changing the game. Introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Vasco and today we're going to be talking about blockchain and cryptocurrencies, and how they're changing the way we think about money. Blockchain technology has been around for over a decade, but it wasn't until the invention of Bitcoin in 2009 that it really started to gain mainstream attention. Since then, we've seen the rise of hundreds of different cryptocurrencies, each with their own unique features and use cases. So, what exactly is blockchain, and why are so many people excited about it? At its core, blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way. This means that instead of relying on a central authority like a bank or government to verify transactions, blockchain uses a network of computers to validate each transaction and ensure its accuracy. Because the ledger is decentralized, it's virtually impossible to hack or manipulate, making it an incredibly secure and reliable way to store and transfer data. One of the key benefits of blockchain is its ability to facilitate peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. This means that anyone can send and receive money or other assets directly, without having to go through a bank or payment processor. This has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and empower individuals and businesses in ways that were previously impossible. Cryptocurrencies are one of the most well-known applications of blockchain technology. Bitcoin, which is the first and most popular cryptocurrency, was designed as a digital currency that can be used to buy and sell goods and services online. Since then, we've seen the rise of many other cryptocurrencies with different features and use cases. Some, like Ethereum, allow for the creation of decentralized applications and smart contracts, while others, like Ripple, are focused on facilitating fast and inexpensive cross-border payments. While cryptocurrencies have had their fair share of controversy and criticism, many people believe that they represent the future of money. They offer a number of advantages over traditional currencies, including faster transaction times, lower fees, and greater privacy and security. Additionally, cryptocurrencies are not tied to any particular country or government, which means that they can be used anywhere in the world without restrictions or barriers. In conclusion, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are changing the way we think about money and finance. While they are still in the early stages of development, they offer a promising vision of a more decentralized, transparent, and equitable financial system. As more and more people start to realize the potential of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, we can expect to see even greater innovation and disruption in the years to come.